I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's your latest weather on demand forecast. It was another chilly day across upper Michigan today. High temperatures only struggled to 44 degrees. It was a touch warmer than that in the southwest where they flirted with 50 degrees. Still though, well below the average of 55, and there's 35 as well. Notice though the sun set tonight, and some of us saw especially farther north in the Keweenaw Peninsula, but 8:59 we will commence the 9 o'clock hour beginning tomorrow, appropriately so, for the month of May. But there are weather changes. At least it's going to be a topsy-turvy week for us, and it's going to be ushered in by right now a lot of clouds and a lot of rain to our south as well as that continues to move in our direction. Notice the winds as well, all from the east, as a very strong low pressure system has just about reached its peak right now. But as it continues to move up from the south and move to the northeast, the winds on the backside of it will continue to be out from the east, then eventually from the north once it goes by. But 20 miles an hour right now from Escanaba, or 13 from Ironwood, 12 from Houghton. I found this map pretty interesting, and you notice 44 degrees in Chicago, but 71 in St. Louis, and they obviously are south of the warm front there. But notice all this blue. We're talking about rain-cooled air. You can definitely tell where it's raining. Where it is, it's in the 40s, low 40s, and actually snowing in some cities. Matter of fact, there we see winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings in pink, and blizzard warnings in Nebraska as well. Panhandle of Texas has a freeze warning. Everybody else in green here, just a whole slew of advisories and warnings from flood stages there in Illinois, where they've had several inches of rain causing really massive flooding for this time of the year. And now I'll show you the massive storm system now. Center of the low is right about there, so still in Oklahoma, and just while moving to the north and east, but a lot of rain with this system as it continues to wind up and really spiral bands almost like a hurricane. But as it continues to weaken off to the north and east, we're talking about rain showers overtaking us overnight tonight into Monday. Then by 8 a.m. tomorrow, we'll see the steady and heaviest rain occur tomorrow morning, as notice this warm front trying to nudge northward. You see also the yellows indicate the heaviest rain, and also not too far away as well, some pockets of heavy snowfall. We're just going to be missing that one. But notice 2 p.m. areas south and east could get in a little bit of thunder and lightning because they will be closest to the warm air and the instability. We do return back to just showers by 8 p.m. as the storm system pretty much winds down, but then the cold air will start to filter in from the northwest. And yeah, that means a little bit of snow, especially for the highlands of Marquette and Baraga counties here. But putting the rainfall in motion, we see that 5 a.m. pretty much the far northern UP stays dry, or at least just sprinkles. But the south is getting in the action, and all of a sudden, in just a few hours, everybody talking about an inch, or rather half an inch to 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. And this one, you really just see the pockets where the heaviest of the rainfall hit in downstate and also in Illinois, where they've just picked up a massive amount of rain for this time of the year. The day tomorrow, though, will feature a wide range of temperatures, though upper 30s across the west, even a few snowflakes mixed in across the far west and also the higher elevations, 50 across the southeast, and notice we will see a few rumbles of thunder as the center of the low moves right over us. Your TV 6-day forecast ushers in the first week of May. Really got a really diverse forecast here. Tuesday, very cold and winter-like, especially early on in the day. 40 degrees, high temperature. North won't be that warm, it'll be upper 30s. Wednesday, though, your weather winner of the week, temperatures soaring into the mid and upper 50s, even near 60 across the south. But that trend is not going to last, unfortunately, as for next weekend. Originally, we're going warmer, but now we're going a little bit cooler because the winds will be sharp off the north from Lake Superior, cooling things down into the 40s.